In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide web shortcuts on your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're looking to declutter your homepage or simply want a cleaner browsing experience, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have your browser open, take a look towards the bottom right corner of your page. Here, you'll find a small icon labeled Customize Chrome. Clicking this will open up a menu that will give you several options to personalize your browser experience. It's one of those features that often goes unnoticed, but once you're familiar with it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. This section is where you have control over the appearance of your Google Chrome page, including the visible shortcuts. Next, from the menu that pops up, you'll want to select the option labeled Shortcuts. This will bring up more detailed options specifically related to the shortcuts on your home page. Shortcuts, as you may know, are those little icons that allow you quick access to your favorite and most visited websites. However, if your preference is to keep things neat, or if you want to limit distractions, hiding these shortcuts could be really beneficial. Now that you're in the Shortcuts menu, the next step is to simply toggle off the setting that says Show Shortcuts. You should see a little switch or slider next to this description. By clicking it, the slider should move to indicate it is now turned off. Once you've toggled this setting off, your web shortcuts will no longer appear on your homepage, giving you a cleaner, more simplified browsing interface. After you've turned off the shortcuts, there's nothing additional you need to do except exit out of the menu. Changes in Chrome settings are usually saved automatically as soon as you make them, so you won't need to worry about finding a save option. Just close the menu, and your new settings will be applied immediately. This is what makes customizing Chrome so user-friendly and straightforward, making it a highly efficient browser when it comes to personal settings. That's it. You've now successfully hidden web shortcuts in Google Chrome, and you should see a tidier homepage as a result. If, for any reason, you decide you want those shortcuts back, you can simply repeat these steps and toggle the Show Shortcuts option back on. It's as simple as that. I hope this was helpful and simplified the process for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.